Yup, o ayan, nag-off na yung ating oven. Check na natin. Okay na siya. Hey, Teban!
Yo!
Yo!
Go, go, go!
Yup! Oh, magandang araw mga kateban. Ano bang meron ngayon? Last Sunday, it was Mother's Day. So, I made her buko pie. Hindi kami kumain sa labas because it's still lockdown. And next Sunday, it's her birthday. So, I'm not sure kung anong lulutuin ko or we're gonna eat outside kasi lifted na yung lockdown. So, today, Sunday, it's our anniversary. So, 3 straight Sundays. Lagi akong lugi every May. But today, it's Sunday, our anniversary. I'm gonna make her another one of her favorites, egg pie. Yeah. So, hindi ko alam kung anong ikaw, may gagawin ka para sa akin?
Wala.
Yo.
I think I'll make milk bread with cream cheese. Your favorite?
With milk on top. Milk frosting.
Yes.
Yo.
Para mas special.
Gagawin ko rin special yung egg pie.
Ano?
Dadagdagan ko ng isang egg. Di ba? And then, as a gift from our tricolets, yung eldest namin, he did all the laundry, the 1 week laundry.
Wow.
And then si Bunsoy, pinag-bake niya kami ng kanyang special brownies. Tingnan niyo naman. Kokonti na natira. And yung second one, nasa work siya ngayon. He went to work and he promised na iti-treat niya kami sa sweldo niya next week. So, pwede kami kumain sa labas.
Sa labas? O
Sa labas ng bahay. Sa labas sa deck. So, yun lang. Gagawa na kami ng aming mga anniversary treats for each other. So, sino unang gagawa? Ikaw?
Ikaw.
Ako pala. So, gagawa na ako ng egg pie at pagkatapos ko, gagawa na siya ng milk bread ko. Yes! Excited na naman. Oh. So, paano?
Gawa ka na.
Okay? Yeoooph! Yeoooph! Ayan, gagawa naman tayo ng egg pie. Napakita namin sa inyo kung paano namin ginawa itong aming crust.
Yup.
So, meron tayong nakaready na yung ating crust sa pan. Meron tayong 5 eggs. We need 2/3 cup sugar, 1.5 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 3/4 cup evaporated milk, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Kaya, umpisa na natin ang ating egg pie. Yeoooph! Yeoooph! Let's start by separating 1 egg. Ayun, na-separate na natin yung isang egg. So, sinet aside din muna natin yung egg na natira at ilagay natin yung ating 1 3/4 cups evaporated milk. I-add natin yung 1.5 tablespoon cornstarch dito sa milk. 1.5. So, dito natin siya ini-add sa milk kasi para hindi siya magbuo-buo. Kasi pag straight natin siyang sinama sa egg, magbubuo-buo yung ating cornstarch. Stir well. Yan. And then, back to our eggs. Let's add our 2/3 cup sugar. Yan, pag well combined na yung egg and our sugar, add our milk and cornstarch mixture. Yeoooph. And add our 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix it thoroughly until ma-dissolve yung sugar. Ayan. After mixing it thoroughly, ilipat natin siya sa another different mixing bowl. Pero we have to filter it. Salain natin para pino yung ating, para smooth yung ating egg pie. Yeoooph. Ayan, nasala na natin siya. But set this aside for a while. Set this aside. Back to our egg white. And then, let's just beat it. Beat it! Beat until soft peak. Yeoooph. Ayan, soft peak na yung ating egg whites. Ayan, soft peak na yung egg white natin. Pwede na natin siyang i-add sa ating egg yolk and milk. And then, ifo-fold lang natin siya. Ayan, na-fold na natin yung ating egg whites sa ating egg yolk and milk. Pwede na natin siyang ilagay sa ating pan. Pwede na natin siyang ilagay sa ating pan. Ayan na ang ating egg pie. So, pwede na natin siyang isalang sa oven for 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Then, after 20 minutes, ilo-lower natin yung heat sa 130 degrees Celsius for another 40 minutes. Yeoooph! So, ilagay natin siya sa oven. Be sure it's in the middle of the oven for 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And then after 20 minutes, ilo-lower natin yung heat sa 130. And then, bake it for another 40 minutes. Yeoooph!
1 hour later.
Yeoooph! O yan, nag-off na yung ating oven. Check na natin. Okay na siya. Okay na yung ating egg pie. Luto na. Pero, we have to leave it for another 20 minutes sa oven na naka-off. Kasi, pag inilabas agad natin siya, lulubog siya, babagsak yung ating egg pie. So, leave our egg pie inside for 10 minutes, oven door closed, and then another 10 minutes, oven door a little open para hindi bumagsak yung ating egg pie. Yeoooph! Yeoooph! Ayan na ang ating finished product ng ating egg pie. Yeoooph! Yeoooph! O ayan, tapos na yung egg pie. So, kumakain na si Mrs. Teban. At ito naman yung anniversary treat niya sa akin. Milky cheese bread. Yeoooph! Tikman natin. Yun, no? Daming milk, oh. Oh, that cream cheese, look! Ooh! Tikman natin. Kaya favorite bread ko to, eh. Next yung coffee bread. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching, mga kateban. Please subscribe. Next video, we will show you how to make this milky cheese bread. Yeoooph!